Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be working on an application, and this is the application that I have created at first. And basically what I will do with this application is that I will first of all dockerize this, and after dockerizing this application I will run it in the EC2 instance, alright, in the IP. Alright, so this is the thing. If I show you if I run this website, this is a simple website that I created earlier. And yeah, this website will be present on my GitHub account also. If you want to check it, you can visit that. So let's go to the browser, and after going to the browser, let's open this new tab and localhost 8000. So here you can see that this is the website that I have created, this simple landing page, and this is the what you can say subscription form in which you have to enter your name and email address. Once you enter this, it will be transferred to my email address and I will receive that. All right, so I'm not going to show you this process this time, but after dockerizing this I will show you this process, that how you can subscribe it and how the email will be transferred. So let's open another email address before working on this, like this. How? Yep. So once this is opened, I will be able to show you, but let's close this. And yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is to dockerize this. So let's create a file by the name of docker file, like this. Once this docker file is created, what I will do, I will write a script here. Like the first thing that I'm going to write is to get an image, like the image that I'm going to get from the Docker Hub is the from what you can say Golang. This is the Golang application, right? And Golang version 1.21 .4 Alpine 3.8. So this is the image that you can check it in the Docker Hub if you want to. So let's take a look at the Docker Hub. You will see that this is the search bar in which you have to write Golang, and it will give you the what you can say the image of it, that what kind of image is present in it. So you can see here, this is the Docker image. Let's click on this. Now you can see that these are some of the this is the latest image, Docker official image of the Golang. If you want to what you can say use this Docker Golang image, you need to simply take this, like this one. I have taken this one like 1.21. Let's take a look at the tags here. Yeah, where is this? The Alpine image is present somewhere else. So yeah, you need to just search this, and if I go to the overview section again, and this is a simple tags and shield tags that you need, that you can search it on. And yeah, somewhere between there here is the image that you can check it. And yeah, currently there is only 1.22, but I'm using 1.21. That is the Alpine image, as you can see here, this one. 1.21.4 3.9 and this is 1.21. let's scroll down. Yeah, this one 1.21 like 1.21 Alpine. All right, so currently I'm not seeing this one. Yeah, you can use it 1.2 1.5 and with Alpine this like 1.2 1.5 and 3.8, right? So this is the image that I have that I will be working on. 1.2 1.4, not 5 or 4. You can write this. So yeah, I will take this image, and once this image is taken, what I will do, I will write run, and the run command I will write make dir site. So basically what I will do, I will create a directory by the name of site, and once this directory is created, I will write copy command and dot, and then what you can say site. So basically what it does, it will create a directory by the name of site, and it will take all these files that are present in it, in this directory, in this site directory, and move it to another site directory, right? So it will take all the files, copy it, and move it to the site directory. So once this is done, so this is another site directory, right? So this one is the site directory in which these files are present, and this is another site directory in which the files will be copied. So let's write work there. So let's work on this directory. Which directory? The new directory that I have created, this site directory. All right. And after that, let's write run again, and this time I will write go build o main and this dot. So basically what it does, it will build an image of this main.go file, and once this main.go file is built, I can run it. All right. So I will run it, make it executable, and run it like cmd. And after that, let's write site main. All right. So I will run this main that is built, and after when this image is built, I will run it through this cmd that is executable. All right. So this is what it is. So let's save this, and now the next thing that I'm going to do is to install the Docker. You need to install the Docker also if you want to execute this file. So let's write I will not show you the installation process. You can simply go to the Docker website in which all the process will be given, and once this is done, I will write Docker what you can say Docker build. I will build this image, Docker build t and site dot. So this is the image that I'm building it by the name of site that I have already named it. So now this image is built. So let's clear this, and I will run this image. So let's write docker run p. Let's write port 8000, right? And then interactive environment site. So now you can see here that this image is running on this Docker, not as a Golang server, right? Go run main.go, it will not run, it is not running through this, it is running through Docker. So now if I go again and refresh this, now it will be running through Docker, not through Golang server. So yeah, this is how it will be working. So if I show you Ali Ahmed, this is hello, and let's name it Ali Ahmed. Now if I click on this subscribe button, it will basically send the email address to my this email address that I have present here. So let's open this. It will take me some time. So yeah, as you can see here that this is the subscriber that I got, and basically what it does, I have already modified this message in my coding, like Ali Ahmed with this email address has subscribed to your newsletter. So basically this is all the coding that I have written here already. So if you want to check this out, you can go there. So yeah, I'm not going to take show you all the coding process because I have already modified it, but for this video I'm just showing you that how you can Dockerize this application and deploy this on AWS. So now if I refresh this again, it won't run because this time it is closed, because I have closed this Docker. So let's clear this. Now this Docker image is running successfully. The next thing that I'm going to do is to push this Docker image into the Docker Hub. So if I the first thing that I need to do is to tag this Docker image. What I need to do, I will write Docker tag. I will give it any kind of name and write site latest. You can give it any version if you want to, but I will give the latest version. So now let's write iBilalK. This is my Docker Hub username, and I will write site latest. All right, so this is the tag that I have given to it, and this is latest image. So let's press enter on this. So now this image is tagged. Now after tagging it, I will write Docker push what you can say iBilalK. This is my Docker Hub username. Inside this Docker Hub username there is a site, and that is latest, and it will be pushed. All right, so let's push this. So now it will take me some time in order to push the image, and once this image is pushed, I will be able to see this image in my Docker Hub. So let's, as you can see here, that if I show you where you can see here, let's go to the repositories, my repositories. Currently there is only one repo, that is by the name of Bloop, but once this image is pushed, I will be able to see the site image also. All right, so currently there is only one image, iBLK. Inside this iBLK there is a Bloop image. So yeah, let's wait for this, and once this is done, I will get back to you, and this will be pushed there. Now you can see here that the image is pushed. So let's clear this, and now what I will do, I will refresh this Docker Hub, and once this is refreshed, you will see that the Docker image is present here. So yeah, let's wait for this. You can see here that site image is pushed here, so you can open this, and now this is publicly available, and you can work on this. And if you want to pull this image in your local machine, you can also do this. Let's go to the public view, and inside this public view you will see that this is the command that you can run, like docker pull iBLK site, and you will pull it in your local machine. So I have already present in it. Like if I show you the Docker images, you will see that iBLK site is already present because I have pushed it. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is to what you can say, deploy this in my EC2 instance. So how can I do this? As you can see here that this is currently present in my what you can say, Docker Hub. I will pull this in my EC2 instance. All right, so once this is pushed in Docker Hub, I will pull the image from here into my EC2 instance. So let's go to the AWS account. So this is the page of EC2. If you want to, you can simply click on this EC2 here. It will open for you like this one, and once this is image if you click on this, it will open this dashboard for you. And currently there is no instance running, so I will click on this launch instance, and let's wait for this launch instance. So now you can see here that this is the launch instance, and now the first thing that I'm going to do is to give it a name, like the site. Let's wait for it, like again site. Yeah, give the image what you can say, image like Ubuntu, and click on this Ubuntu. I will be using the free tier, that is T2 micro, and after that let's give it a key pair that is necessary. So I will give it a test site key. If this is your first time, you can give it from here. You can create this what you can say, key here. And now let's go to the edit section, and let's open this auto assign, because I want to assign the public IP address also in order to make it work. And yep, let's done this. All right, let's go create another. Maybe this is fine. Security group, TCP, or HTTPS, HTTP, previously SSH, HTTP. Now this is port 80, but my port is running on what you can say, on port 8000. So I need to give a custom port also in order to make it work. So I will write 8000, right? So this is a custom port that I will give, because through this custom port it will be able to run. So let's write anywhere. So now this is done. Other details I don't need to work on this. 8 GB storage is enough for me, because this is just for the example purpose. So let's launch this instance. So it will take me some time in order to launch this instance. So yeah, so now you can see here that the instance is successfully created. Let's open this. You can see here that the instance ID is this one. So let's close this, and now it will show me all the instances that are running or not running. So currently there is only one instance that it will load it to me. So as you can see here, this is a site instance that is running properly. And if I click on this, let's click on this, like select it first. Now you can see here, this is the public IP address through which I will be able to access it, and this is the private IP address. So now let's connect this. All right, once this is connected, I can connect it through various options like SSH client, in which I will give the client ID here, and it will be able to connect it through my local machine terminal. But I'm going to use it in my what you can say AWS terminal on the same dashboard. So let's click on this connect. So it will open the terminal for me in this dashboard. I don't need to go to this terminal in order to reconnect it with this my local machine. Instead, it will be open for me here in this what you can say AWS console. So now it is establishing the connection. As you can see here, the connection is established. Let's clear this. First of all, let's update it. Sudo apt-get update. This is the same Ubuntu machine that is running on AWS. So let's write sudo apt-get update. Once this is done, I will be able to pull the image from the Docker Hub, like from here, right? So let's wait for this. This is done now. So let's clear this. As you can see here, this is the Docker image, Docker pull iBilalK site. So let's clear this, copy this, paste it here, and now this, once this is pasted, I will write the version of it like latest. So now currently I have not installed the Docker. First of all, I need to install the Docker here because this is new Ubuntu machine. So I will write sudo apt-get install Docker IO. This is the unofficial way in order to install the Docker, but if you want to go through the official way, you can check it out through its website. There will be a step-by-step process in it, but you can also install the Docker through this unofficial method also. So yeah, it is mentioned in their website also. So yeah, you can check this. So now once this Docker is installed, I will be able to pull the image, right? So let's write sudo docker version, v. You can see here that the Docker is installed. So now what I will do, I will write Docker images. Currently this is showing me the permission denied option, but if you want to write sudo, if you write the sudo command with it, it will show you the images. So how you can remove this sudo command instead by just using this Docker images, how you can remove this sudo to be written multiple times. So you can simply write user mode A and then G and then what you can say AG and Docker, sorry, AG Docker and then user. Yeah, this is the command that you need to write in order to what you can say, like this one. I have forgotten about the command, like what should be user mode Docker. It is fine now. I have not returned the sudo command with it, so sorry about that. I need to write the sudo user mode and then AG and then Docker user. So this will help you to write the Docker without writing Docker sudo every time. So if I write Docker images, it will still show me the message that the permission denied. So why it is showing me, you need to first of all close this terminal and reopen again in order to make it work. But I'm not going to reuse it. So yeah, this is how you can remove the sudo command after reopening it. So yeah, let's write sudo docker pull iBilalK. This is the site image that I'm going to pull from the Docker Hub latest. All right. So this is the latest image that I'm going to pull from the Docker Hub. So yeah, with sudo, so let's press enter on this. It will take me some time in order to pull the image from the Docker Hub. Once this image is pulled, I will be able to run this. So yeah, let's wait for this. It depends on the size of the image. You can see here that it is pulled successfully in less time, but if this is a huge image, then it will take some time. So let's write sudo docker images. You will see that currently this is the image that I have pulled it. So yeah, now the next thing that I'm going to do is to copy this. Sorry, I need to write docker run p, and once this is done, I will run this port on 8000. And now let's write interactive environment, and after that I bilal k site. Now let's retest. So this is the image that I'm running it on port 8000 in the interactive environment, and this is the image name. So let's press enter on this. I need to press what you can say, sorry, clear this also. I need to write the sudo command with this also. So yeah, let's write the sudo command. Now you can see here that this is successfully running here. So let's copy this public key here, public IP key, and now let's go to the local host, and instead of writing localhost, I will give the public IP address and 8000. Now as you can see here that this website is running on my local host, not on the local host but on the public IP address of the EC2 instance in AWS. So yeah, this is working fine. So let's scroll down and see, send the same message like Ali Ahmad, and from what you can say hello. And now first of all, let's delete this email address. Once this email address is deleted, I will be able to send another email address. So let's subscribe to it. Now it will lead me again to the bloop image because I have redirected to the same page. So yeah, now you can see here that this is working fine. This form is working fine. Ali Ahmad with this email address has been subscribed to your newsletter 0 minutes ago. So yeah, this is working fine, and this is how you can do this. So now the work of the instance is done. Let's close this, and if you want to, you can delete this Docker image like through this sudo Docker images. You can simply write sudo rmi docker rmi, and then ibilal k /site latest. Sorry, I need to write latest like this. It should be forced, so let's write f. So now it is running fine. Sudo docker docker images, and currently there is no image. If I show to you the containers, so currently this is the container that it was running, but I have exited it. So let's delete this container also. So let's container id, copy this, and let's write sudo docker rm, and this time I will paste the container id. So now this is deleted also. So yeah, now if I show you the containers, there is nothing present in it. So now let's go to the what you can say instance. Select this, and after selecting it, let's terminate it or stop it first. I will directly terminate this. So yep,